In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Figma. If you want your paragraphs to align cleanly on both the left and right edges for a polished publication-style look, this is the setting you're after. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to apply it, and a few tips to make your text look its best. Start by opening your Figma design file and navigating to the frame or artboard that contains the text you want to format. Make sure the text layer is selected so the text controls appear in the sidebar. If you're not seeing those controls, you're likely on the wrong layer, so click directly on the text itself or pick it from the Layers panel. With your text selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar under the Design tab and scroll to the Typography section. This is where Figma gathers all your font choices, size, line height, letter spacing, and alignment options. If the panel looks condensed, expand the section so you can see all the available controls. Next, open Type Settings. Depending on your interface scale, this may appear as a small settings icon or an overflow menu next to the typography header. Clicking it reveals additional alignment and text behaviors that aren't always visible at a glance. In the Type Settings panel, choose Justify. The moment you select it, Figma will distribute the spacing between words so that each line stretches from the left margin to the right margin. This typically leaves the last line of a paragraph aligned to the left, which is standard for justified text. For the most consistent results, justified text works best in a text box with a defined width and multiple lines of content. Single line labels or very short lines may appear stretched or uneven. Once you're happy with the change, close the Type Settings window. Your text remains justified, and you can continue designing as usual. If you need to fine-tune readability, consider adjusting line height slightly or refining the width of the text box so line breaks feel natural. Keep an eye on large gaps that can appear with very narrow columns or long, unbreakable words. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same Type Settings panel and choose a different alignment. That's it. Your text is now justified in Figma. Use this style for body copy and layouts where a clean column edge matters, like editorial designs, brochures, or formal reports. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any section while you work in your own file.